In this video, we are going to see how we can install VS Code in our Ubuntu operating system. So for this, just go to your browser. I am in Chrome browser, and just type download VS Code, and then click on the first link here, stay sign out, and click on the first link here. So just download for this one db deb file, sbn file. So click on this. So thank you for downloading it. Started downloading because I have already downloaded. Here you can see, so I am canceling it. So it has been cancelled. Now come to your go to your file and go to downloads here, and here you can see there is Google Chrome and there is VS Code. So we have here open terminal address folder, right click and then open in terminal, click on, and then switch to root user using su root. It is asking for more password, so just this is the password. Now what to do? Just this type this command dpkg -i and the name of the name of application I want to install. So just paste it here, paste. Now here you can see it is dpkg depackaging and then -i, then name of the app. Now click enter. So unpackaging it. Now it will take few time to install this VS Code. So wait for some time. Getting setting up now. Now it has been installed successfully. Now just go to menu and search for VS Code. So here you can see there is VS Code. Hit enter. It will open VS Code here. Here by this you can create a file and install the extension as well. So this is how we can install the VS Code in Ubuntu operating system. So thanks for watching this video and subscribe my channel for more these videos. So thanks.